We talk football SA. Betway Premiership Orlando Pirates 2 Stellenbosch 0. Okumdlalo ke obumuhle kakhulu lapho sibone khona umfukeng udlale kahle ulomfana uApollos udlale kahle and the difference between the two was that Orlando Pirates tried to control the game from the back. They tried to make build-ups from the back, where the combination in front of defense, we had Makaula and Talende Mbati, whom I believe they did very well. Both of them, they did very well. But at some stage didn't take shots as he normally does, but he played a good game. What we noticed is that Makgopa came in for Mbutuma and he gave a good game because he scored a goal and also had a hand on the second goal, whereby Maswanganyi, I can say he was trying to cross, though his cross was on target. Then we could see Makgopa jumping with the goalkeeper, that's why I say he had a big hand in it. So I would like to congratulate the guy because he hasn't been playing for quite some time now. But if he is able to play the game that he did today, he won a lot of aerial balls. He got into good spaces. He bulldozed that defense, so he played very well. Sage Stevens, I can't blame him for the 2 goals. There is another goal that was going to be an own goal, but he managed to pile it away. That was an obvious goal, but he managed to stop it, so he did very well. Chain, whenever he comes out of his goal, he is able to get to those balls. He doesn't come out and then be unable to stop a shot. So he's very good aerially, and I commend him for that. So we want to see how Sundowns play against Chiefs tomorrow. That game will be very interesting because some say Chiefs will give the game to Mamelodi Sundowns, but I don't believe that players think like fans. Players have a name to protect for themselves because the very same fans, if they lose, the very same fans will be on their back. So I'm not sure what's going to happen there. Fukeng today, let's go back to today's game. Fukeng, I think he played very well, though there is a chance that I think he should have scored. But what is important is that he had a strike and the ball went wide. So he played well, and he still has got it. Nda still has the ball. Nda still knows how to play football, and I believe he played very well today. Though there were those 2 balls that beat them, but that doesn't make them a bad team. Devin Titus was dangerous as usual. But all in all, congratulations, Orlando Pirates, for the win. We'll see how it ends. But what is most important at this age, at this time, for both Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, is to win your own games. Win all your games. Don't concentrate on your rivalry, because if you do so, then you will lose. Ngale kwalokho hayi umdlalo ube muhle, abafana badlalile, ake sibambe lapho sithi sizobona owakusasa umdlalo ukuthi uzodlala kanjani. Makhawula ibhola lisekhona, bazwana kahle noNdiya. Asazi-ke i-Orlando Pirates emdlalweni odlule ilinyalelwe uMremi, namhlanje ilinyalelwe uNemthanjela. Asazi ukuthi kuya kanjani phambili. Kodwa-ke asithemba ukuthi abafana mhlambe akubi kangako. Tennessee cishe washaya igoli elihle ngebhadi lakhe, ibhola lashona epalini, lashaya ipali. That was a brilliant strike from the young man. I hope he will get more minutes next season. Jensen is a very good player. I think he will get more minutes next season. But let's wait and see what happens tomorrow, what happens on the games going forward. But this league has been interesting and is still interesting. Thanks to Mamelodi Sundowns, thanks to Orlando Pirates for challenging them. We talk football SA, inform, educate, entertain. Siyabonga.